Are you looking for the best 3D printers for Reddit? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for Reddit on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. CREALITY K1 Speedy 3D Printer. Are you looking for a 3D printer that is super fast and easy to use? In this case, CREALITY K1 could be what you need. The new model from CREALITY has caught a lot of attention among 3D printing enthusiasts. One of its main features that spike the most interest is its speed. Called the King of Speed by CREALITY, the K1 model will be available on our website at the beginning of June. In the meantime, we invite you to read more about it and see if it's worthy of consideration. CREALITY's K1 is definitely offering innovative features that had only been seen in more expensive 3D printers from other brands. Consequently, it stands out from the rest because of its features and great price. Let's take a look at some of the most interesting features of this new 3D printer. Its max speed is 600 mm per second, which makes it 12 times faster than normal FDM 3D printers available. It has an unbelievable acceleration of 20.000 mm/s² and reaches its full speed in 0.03 seconds. Quite fast, don't you think? Moreover, this model has not only a fast printing speed, its heat bed heats to 60 degrees Celsius in 180 seconds. Despite its compact size, the K1 provides enough for your creativity to run wild. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, this printer offers more than enough room to bring your imaginative designs to life. The most exciting feature probably is the automatic calibration. How does it work? An automatic leveling function that uses a sensor to ensure that the bed is leveled before each print. Consequently, with the built-in auto leveling feature, the K1 is ready to go as soon as you unbox it. You will get the K1 fully assembled and calibrated. Number 2. CREALITY K1 Max 3D Printer. 12x faster. Defy limitations. K1 reaches 600 mm per second in only 0.3 s based on 20,000 mm/s² acceleration. It can be as productive as several 3D printers together. Combine with the nimble Core XY with a 190 grams lightweight printhead, agile and swift. What's more, dual gear direct extruder surrounded by upgraded ceramic heater which can heat to 200 C in 40s and melts the filament instantly, providing 32 cubic millimeters/s high flow and working with flying colors in up to 300 C. Built-in 1 meter resolution LiDAR which will scan the first layer on its own. It will pause printing and tell you immediately if something goes wrong. The snappy dual-core 1.2 GHz CPU powers high-speed printing with ease. The 8GB ROM stores up to 400 model files and enables quick writing and reading. Once K1 Max is connected via Wi-Fi or RJ45 Ethernet port to the LAN or internet, you can monitor and control the printing from a PC or phone with CREALITY Print software or CREALITY Cloud. Support 1 key to auto leveling. Equipped with flexible build plate that works with a wide range of filaments, aluminium alloy heat bed can reach 60 C uniformly in only 180s. Just give a tap, and K1 will self-test the extruder, heat bed, camera, optional, fan, leveling, etc. Any abnormality detected will prompt on the display. The unibody die-cast aluminium alloy frame of K1 is CNC machined to be precise and rigid. Stay in a stable status all the time even in high-speed printing, and a G-sensor in the printhead measures the resonance frequencies of high-speed printing, and auto-tune the printer to mitigate it. And the upgraded Z-axis with more accurate positioning. The model always with subtle texture. K1 can print via USB drive or Wi-Fi. With a network connection, K1 can be controlled or monitored remotely, requires use with AI camera, not included, from CREALITY Print or CREALITY Cloud app/web. Cluster control is also allowed when many K1 printers are online. Number 3. YIDIMU SLA 3D printer. As AliExpress sell globally, it's unable using one method to ship orders to all countries. We choose the best shipping method for you while considering shipping cost and efficiency. Most countries enjoy free shipment while some countries still cost. After you finished payment, we need 3 days handle order, then send to Express Company. Express Company need check and records, then arrange delivery. As normal, it needs 3-5 days update first tracking information. If there is no informations within 7-10 days, please contact buyer servicer. If your local Express Company charge your money, please ask them why charging fee. And for what? It is very important for buyer. About customs charging fee. Nobody can control. Every country customs has different import and export tariff system. We provide 12 months warranty for all our products. If you find defected part, please take a photo immediately and send it to our after-sale customer. We have professional after-sale team to solve your problems online. Number 4. Flashforge FDM 3D printer. Finder 3 retains the classic red and black color scheme of Finder 2.0 and features an integrated structure design. With no assembly required, it's easy to use in a second after being unpacked. Smaller equipment size and large volume for higher volume utilization. Glass platform provides a strong adhesion, so the printing model will not easily become warped. Magnetic steel plate platform, gold pay plate, anti-warping edge. Magnetic sticker owns a strong magnetic force to make sure it is durable. Both plate can be easily removed and replaced to meet diversified printing needs. Newly added functions of power loss recovery and filament run-out detection. In the event of an unexpected power failure, it can save the printing status and continue printing after the power is restored. When the filament is used up or accidentally broken, it will alarm and pause printing, and then continue printing after the filament is replenished or replaced. Its direct drive extruder design and the heating temperature up to 260 C achieves smoother filament feeding. Finder 3 not only supports printing ABS/HIPS/PETC/PETC PRO filaments but also meets the printing requirements of TPU95A flexible filament and third-party filaments. It offers stronger compatibility and a wider application range. Number 5. CREALITY HALOT-MAGE PRO 3D printer. Featuring a large 10.3-inch LCD screen for a 228 by 128 by 230/8.97 by 5.03 by 9.05 inch build volume, about 45% larger than an 8.9 inches resin printer, which leaves sufficient printing space and freedom for you to make any shapes of 3D models. HALOT-MAGE 3D resin printer adopts 8K mono LCD brags 33,177,600 pixels and 29.7 micrometers XE resolution, a huge leap from the 50 micrometers of regular 4K. Hair, fabric, skin textures, and organic shapes all come to life. CREALITY HALOT-MAGE resin 3D printer's self-developed integrated light source, 5000 ±10% microwatts per square centimeter light intensity, so that the light intensity distribution of the entire screen is uniform. Curing a layer only needs 1.5S with standard 405 nanometers resin, which can significantly improve the printing efficiency while maximizing model detail. The Z-axis of HALOT-MAGE 8K resin printer features dual rigid linear rails and is driven up and down by a powerful motor. It reduces wobbling vastly and deals well with larger and heavier prints. The flip lid of HALOT-MAGE is easy to open and close with one hand and needless to place aside. The orange transparent cover is practical to block 99.89% of ambient UV light for minimal interference, making it safe and convenient for beginners and kids. Built-in activated carbon filter, which is 5.8 times larger than other filters, can effectively absorb and filter resinous odor and pungent fumes, creating an odor-free fresh printing environment. A vent hole is at its back to connect a vent tube.